Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making shake and bake Parmesan crusted pork chops. Let's begin. We have here some boneless pork chops and it's exactly 1 pound. Let's open it up. We have here some shake and bake Parmesan crusted version and you should give it a try. It's really tasty. We're going to open it up. There's 2 packages. We're just going to use one. Going to open it up. We're going to put some mayo onto the pork chops. Just enough to cover the pork chops. Cover it up. Spread some on the other side as well. Looking good. Next, we're going to take the pork chops and dip it in the shake and bake. Flip it over again. And another time. Looking good. We're going to put it to the side. We're going to take the last pork chop and dip it into the shake and bake. Try to get the sides as well. Looking good. We're going to put it right here. And change out my gloves. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we'll get preheated to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the pork chops. There we go. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 14 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 7 minutes so far at 400 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. And flip it over. Just like that. There you go. We flipped it over and now let's put it back in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Smells great. We're going to check the temperature real quick. And it's above 145 degrees and we're set. Let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, shake and bake, Parmesan crusted pork chops. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.